display quality was good, and the other features and apps are working perfectly, and the processor will be response was smoother and faster. Here I'm talking about the technical information about Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. Let's unbox it and see the review of the smartphone. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Here we looking at small box without charger. Here is environment friendly box for new Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this small box, we are getting a quick start guide and manual, C2C charger cable, SIM ejection tool, and here we have to purchase separately travel adapter. Let's unwrap it and see other details of information. Lime green enhance its premium quality, and display quality was smoother and faster with a quick response. Here are minimum apps are pre-installed to necessary. You can use it or you can uninstall as per your requirement. We are getting here two variants. One is 8128 and another one is 8256. Camera comes with so many options to operate. Here we are seeing that portrait mode, zoom mode, video mode, photo mode, and you can also add different type of fun elements in the camera using while photography. You can shoot video in 4K, that is decent photography you can get through clear picture, and by using different type of mode you can also adjust the color quality and its appearance. The triple camera main camera comes with 48 megapixel and second macro camera comes with 8 megapixel and micro camera comes with 5 megapixel. The triple camera setup was helpful to take a picture of 1.8 aperture and second 2.2 and third one is 2.4. So you can take a different type of angle, picture quality, and the 6.6 inches of full HD plus super AMOLED display was support to. The resolution of picture quality comes with 1080 into 2340 pixels. The 16M colors was support to your photos and different type of picture quality. The Android 13 point operating system was support MediaTek with a octa-core supporter, and also here you get 5G support of IP67 water resistance with a Gorilla Glass front screen you can use as your requirement. The premium design of experience with a metal camera, deco, and 5000 of mAh battery, you can get fast charger up to 30 minutes. It also the highlight of 1000 nits of screen with vision booster enhance your video quality. Here we have to purchase a separate power adapter. So I suggest here to purchase new power adapter for your best quality of battery and its life of resistance. And the IP67 rate of water resistance, here you can protect your smartphone from any water damage, and the camera bumps comes out for your take to best quality of picture with a blur, object scanner, and other your best quality different type of picture modes. The awesome lime color was enhancing its beauty of smartphone. Here I suggest to use the back cover for protecting from other damages. The new smartphone comes with 5G support and also the new feature and with new technical support of your Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone. The SIM tray comes with either 1 plus 1 SIM card, or you can also use one micro SD card with one SIM. You can also use the phone from your different type of daily usage. Here battery comes up to 2 to 3 days of battery life. The smooth operates of the full HD resolution support to fast operating with a smooth movement. Here the sum of application you can remove, or if necessity you can also use the application for further use. The quick response of locking system with a side mounted fingerprint will give a quick response. The four option of security you can use pin, either password or a pattern with a swipe up for your unlock to smartphone. And other new features comes with in this phone for your safety measures. Also you can protect your phone with a different type of operation. You can use the best quality of wallpapers or themes, or you can also download the different options of theme and enhance the color of your smartphone. In the bottom here we get the stereo speakers with comes right side up and down volume key with a locking button, and left side was blank for the enhancing beauty of smartphone, and upper side we get the SIM ejection tray for support your SIM network, and the best quality of full HD resolution give a best quality of your display feature. The camera enhancement is line up for your beauty of smartphone. The possible of smudges, so you can use the back cover to protect smartphone of different way of use. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.